Welcome to another video, y'all. Today we're working on a Mercedes-Benz 2019 CLS450. We're going to be showing you guys how to do the rear shocks and shock mounts. Stay tuned. Right, first thing you want to do is jack up your vehicle. And make sure you support it with a jack stand. Then you want to take off this tire. These lug nuts are a 17 millimeter. I like to use the impact wrench. You just pull your tire off, set it aside, and here's the shock we're gonna be replacing. You got a bolt down there, and the mount is up there. So you gotta take off this little shield. Show you how to do that. You got two 10 millimeters, and you got another one here, and then you have a little push pin, and another push pin. Take off these two 10 millimeters. They're just little plastic nuts. And we got another one here. This is supposed to separate from this one here. If not, you can just pull the rest of them off. Like I said, it looks like it separates, but it actually does not. So you have some more. You got one there, you got one here. Just remove those. You have another one here. And you have one right here. Took out this one here. Now we just have these little plastic clips. Pick tool is best to use. You can also use a screwdriver. Pick tool just makes it easier. You have another one here. One here. Now we should be able to pull it off enough where we can expose this strip mount here. There you go. Alright, now that we have it exposed, we have two bolts right here, which is an E12, but you could also use a size 11 millimeter socket. Take those bolts out. Just like that. And now we have to get this bolt down here. Let's see what size it is. All right, you got our new shock. Line it up, make sure it's the same size, same type. It is. Now we can go back in with it. You just want to put the bottom in first. And line it up with the hole. And take your bolt that we took out. And go in on the same side. You might have to push up the strut some in order to line up the hole, just like that. Put your nut in and go ahead and tighten it up like we did before. Use your socket to hold the other side. or wrench. Whatever you have available. Torque this down. And now it's time to put on our plastic cover. Install everything in reverse order. We're gonna put our plastic cover back on. These are easy, they just pop in. Just like that. Now we're ready for our top 2 bolts. Now we got our jack under there. Got it lifted up. So you can see it's way closer now. So now we should be able to start our bolts. Now we got our jack stand under there. Our jack under there. Got it jacked up. So now it's closer. We got our bolts started. We just zip them in. And you just want to torque those down. It's time to just install our cover. We're done. Got the cover back lined up. Just take your nuts, pause, and screw them on there. It's easy enough. One here. And you can put your plastic clips in. And once you tighten those up and button those in, you're all done. Thank y'all for watching. Appreciate y'all. Toys Auto, man. If you ever got any certain cars you need fixed or certain problems with your vehicle, leave it down in the comment section. I'll be glad to help. If you guys got a video suggestion for me, let me know down in the comments. I'll be glad to help y'all. Y'all stay blessed.